you can see right now I am going to perform FET characteristics for you. FET is field effect transistor, and this is the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram, right? Okay, so you can check it yourself. So when I explain it, I am explaining from the left hand side. Okay, and you can see this is the main component, field effect transistor. So this is there in my hand, field effect transistor. Okay, the connectors are given over here. Okay, so it is a GSD, G for the gate, S for the source, and D for the drain. So 3 terminals are there for the FET. So you can see this particular circuit. So 5-volt source is connected on the input side, so it is connected to the gate and the source. Okay, so here you can see that the negative of the source is taken to the rheostat and then connected to the RG, that is gate resistance. Okay, and then connected to the gate, whereas the positive of the supply is taken to the ground. So we are connecting negative gate supply voltage on the gate and the source. Here we are measuring this particular voltage as VGS. Okay, now I am explaining the output circuit with respect to this circuit diagram. So we have a gate here, we have a source here, we have a drain of this FET 3-terminal device. Now here is the drain to source supply of 12 volts. Okay, so you can check it over there. Okay, now I am explaining the connection. So from the positive end of the 12 volt supply, it goes to the rheostat, and from the rheostat variable connector, it goes to the positive of milliamp as well as positive of the voltmeter. Here we are connecting 0 to 10 volt voltmeter. Okay, and 0 to 25 milliamp over there. Okay, so from the milliamp I am connecting to the drain. So drain terminal of the FET is getting the positive supply from the supply voltage of 12 volts, whereas source is connected to the negative end of this supply voltage. Okay, and then this is the entire ground line. You have to establish this. This particular circuit we call it input circuit, and this particular circuit we call it output circuit. Okay students, now I am explaining the connected circuit to you. So this is the gate supply. Okay, 5 volt is connected to the rheostat, and here is the voltmeter, and this is the gate to source voltage voltmeter. We are measuring it, and we are giving a small voltage over there. So we need a 0 to 1.5 voltmeter. Okay, and the negative is connected to the gate terminal of the FET. You can see this gate terminal of the FET, and this is where the FET is over here. Okay, this part's there. So this is our input circuit. Let us go to the output circuit. We start with the supply voltage. Okay, I showed it to you. This is the key. Okay, and then this is the rheostat, and from the variable terminal of the rheostat I am connecting milliammeter as well as voltmeter. From the negative terminal of this milliammeter I connected to the drain terminal. Okay, and source is common. You can see source is common to both the circuits. Okay, then only the input will get transferred through the FET, and it will show the variation in the output. So to start initially, I am keeping this voltage around 11 volts. Okay, right, and the current is 100 milliamp. So you can see in the voltmeter, I want to check whether the variation will show any deflection in the voltmeter or not. Yes. Okay, so it is showing the variation in the voltmeter.